Hey everybody at MZclean. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, a marketing company in North Carolina. And you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. So the three things we'll cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page pulled up here, but my first tip would definitely be to get a website. Not only does it serve as like a digital business card, but also while Facebook is a powerful tool, people are most likely going to go to Google first when they're looking for services, and they're going to want to be able to click on your website. So just for reference, I pulled up one of your competitor sites here just to kind of show you what we're speaking about with content. So to Google, anything that you can see here is considered content. The words, the pictures, and also what the pictures are saved as. That's all content. And Google likes to see 1,500 words on a homepage of a website. And within those 1,500 words, you would want to integrate in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So in having that website, it will absolutely help you to get ranked. And then when you add in those keywords into that content, that is the kind of thing that is going to help you get to the first page of Google. So we will move on to the next thing, which is citations. And I just pulled up a quick search for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So what a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, which is great, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you'd want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories. And you would certainly want to grab those listings for your company as well. But you don't ever just want to stop there. For instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10, and then you want to double, triple, quadruple. So you would want to have, 20, 30, 40, 50 listings. That way you're totally dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high here as well. So moving right along here to backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath that map section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website. And it's pushing power to your site, and it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, say that you did some cleaning for someone who owns an ice cream shop. And they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning services that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but it's also going to be more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. So I pulled up one of the tools that I use here. I wasn't able to put your company in it since you don't have a website, but I did put that competitor that we looked at their website in just to give you a visual representation of what we're talking about. So it's showing they have 185 referring domains, which is giving them 1.11 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 375 keywords, and that's driving 417 people monthly to their website. Let's see if we can see what kind of keywords they're using here, just to give you an idea. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is anything that someone's going to think to type into that search bar when they're looking for your service. We'll also pay close attention to this volume column. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched per month. So they have some good keywords. So house cleaning Boston. This is a great keyword because it's listing the service that's being provided and it's listing the location that they're trying to target. So they're ranking for that. Boston cleaning service, another great one that they're ranking for. Boston maid service. So you can use kind of a variation of the same, term or phrase, and it will count as a whole new keyword for you. So, and I won't bore you and go through all of these, but this does at least give you an idea of the kinds of things that you would want to work into that content when you do get a site. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And just like with the citations, you never want to just stop at what they have. You want to continue to build on that. Those are the kinds of things that are going to get you on that first page of Google, but it will also make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. So that is really all that I have for you guys today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I do hope that it was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing or how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. And I hope you have a great weekend, and thanks for your time.